Okay, let's make us start. IELTS speaking part 1, and you're going to answer these questions. What makes you feel happy?
Uh, Many things which used to make myself happy, but
Don't say used to. Simply say there are many things which make me feel happy. Okay, simple structure.
Alright.
So start again. What makes you feel happy?
there are many things which makes me happy, but the best one is to sit with my mother and chat with her and listen about her daily routines and talk about our long run plans.
Okay. What do you usually do when you are sad?
I usually go out with my friends to have a cup of tea or coffee and discuss all the things with them and ask them for their advices.
All right. Do you prefer to share your happiness with your family or friends?
I prefer both to share my happiness with my family as well as with my friends, because my friends are very keen important to me, and my family is as well very important to me, and they always support me morally, financially, in everywhere, in
Alright.
every stage of my life.
Good. Do you feel happy when you go for shopping?
Usually I feel happy, but after my marriage I don't like to feel happy, because on that days I go to shop many things on the daily basis due to the rushy and the traffic roads and the shopping malls. Nowadays I don't like to go at shopping.
All right.
I'm
You're
not
talking
feeling-
about a lot of words without proper sentences. So you need to make proper sentences. Like for example, the question is, do you feel happy when you go for shopping? So you need to mention clearly, and when you're talking about shopping mall, traffic, talk about them separately and make complete sentences.
Alright.
So instead of talking about, or instead of giving your answer in words, try to give your answer in proper sentences. Okay. Let's go on. It's your turn, please.
Sure.
What's the weather like in your hometown?
Well, in my hometown, there is a hot weather, and normally weather changes after every 6 months.
Weather changes.
Weather changes after every 6 months. Nowadays, there is summer season there, and weather is very cool there, and it's my favorite weather as well, because in this weather there is no too hot and there is no too cold. So that's the very good weather.
All right. Does weather affect our mood?
Sure, weather affects our moods as well, because in a very hot weather you cannot feel very good, and if the weather is very pleasant, then it will also affect your mood as well. In a pleasant weather you feel very good and you make good feelings as well. You get good feelings as well.
Okay. Do you make any plans to celebrate good weather?
Yeah, in good weather I like to go outside, and I like to sit alone, and I feel the beauty of the nature, and I enjoy the pleasant and good weather.
All right. That's very good. Just try to speak with a little more expressions.
Sure.
And that'll be fine. And add a couple of sentences in your answer and go through all the topics so that you are familiar with them.
Sure.
Good job.
Thank you so much.